let's do succulents. Today's the day for succulents. So, succulents are really easy. You can go to your neighbors and you can ask them for clippings. So I went over to my neighbor's house and got clippings of some of their succulents. So what you're gonna do, put some dirt in any sort of container you want. All you need to do is after you've filled up your container with soil, you have your succulent, you break it off to as short or tall as you want it. Put the soil around it, take another one, drop it in. Some people put little fairies and things in their garden, their succulent garden. I'm gonna use some rocks, but you can use anything that you want. It brings your little succulent garden alive. A little more soil. And to help them stand in place, we'll put a couple of rocks. So you've got some rocks. Ooh, and I found this really cool rock at the river one day. There's a hole in the middle of it. I thought it was cool. I'll put that in there too. And voila! You have yourself a succulent garden. All you need to do is put a little water in it. Water it once a week maybe. And it will last you for years. Have fun.